How to contact Uber Eats customer service. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. In the source bar, search for Uber Eats customer service. Head over to the very first site, Uber Eats Support and Customer Service. It will land you on the official page of Uber Eats Support. Scroll down and different options will be available to you. From here, you need to head over to the option which will be suitable for you. Let's say I need help with accounts and payments. Head over to it. Scroll down and search for a specific problem. And then click on it. It will land you on this interface. Right here, once again select the problem that you have been facing, and then it will guide you with the solution of the problem that you have been facing. You will also be able to contact the customer support via email address or the phone number. You can also have the chat with the representatives, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can contact the Uber Eats customer service. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.